So I want to talk about something called geometric sequence. Okay, a geometric sequence. So we talked about an arithmetic sequence. Okay. Okay. And a arithmetic sequence, that was pretty straightforward. Okay, that was like if we go -10, okay, -6, -2, 2, 6. Okay. Remember, in that case, D, you're adding 4 in each case. Okay, you're adding 4 and doing so repeatedly. Okay. 2, 3. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Geometric sequence, I'll give you an example of a geometric sequence. Okay. Let's go with 2, 6, 18, 54, 1, 12. Okay. Can anyone just type in right now in the chat, how did I get from one number to another? Go ahead and type that in if you know. Anyone looking for a friend? Okay, let me check my chat. Okay. Ooh, oh man. We got people over here on top of their math game today. Yeah, I'm multiplying by 3. Nice job. In each case, I'm multiplying by 3. So if you were to sum up, shoot me a message in the chat. If you were to tell me the difference between geometric sequence and arithmetic sequence, if you were to tell like a younger sibling, how would you just give them one sentence? If they were like, hey, what's the difference between geometric sequence and arithmetic sequence? What would you tell them? Shoot me a chat. Shoot me a one-liner. Ooh, Samaj spitting that fire. Okay, that is straight fire coming from Samaj. That's exactly right. You add for arithmetic sequence, and you multiply for geometric sequence. Ooh, man. Okay. Dylan coming through, spitting those facts. Okay, spitting those math facts. Okay. All right. Ryan joining the party, spitting those bars. Okay. Those double bars, one for geometric sequence, one for arithmetic sequence. Nice. All right, folks. Now let's look right here. Over here, so we already established that geometric sequence is multiplying. So what are we doing to get from, in this case, what are we multiplying by? Okay, when we're going from 16 to 8 to 4 to 2, what are we multiplying by? We'll multiply by something. It ain't 3, it ain't 4, it ain't. What is it? Can anyone take a wild guess? Samaj Antonio, nice. Multiplying by 0.5 right there. Okay. Samaj, you might need to drink some ice water because you are just on fire right now. You might need to cool down right there. Exactly, times 0.5, that's right. Okay, I'm multiplying by. Okay, nice job, folks. Nice job, Angelisa. Okay, so multiplying by 0.5. I'm just going to put a dot, dot, dot. All right. So again, long story short, most of you guys said it already. Geometric sequence, geometric sequence is multiply. Arithmetic sequence is add. Okay. That's the moral of the story right there. Now let's move on. Okay, and let's do some actual problems here. Okay. So determine whether or not each one is a geometric sequence or not. Okay, we're going to do this exactly the same way. All right. So I'm going to actually just on the fly, okay, create a example 1C. Okay, and I'm going to go with, let's go with, what am I feeling? What is my math crystal ball telling me? It is telling me 4. Yep, I'm feeling that number. Okay. What is it also telling me? It's telling me, 16. Yup. It's telling me 64, and then it's telling me 128. And then I'm out of juice right there. That's all it's telling me. Okay. All right, now let's look right here. Let's look at example 1A. Now, I want us to look at, remember this slide from back in the day, okay? Remember this slide from back in the day. When I say back in the day, I mean last week, okay? This slide right here, the black, come on, computer, don't freeze up on me, okay? The black, red, and the green. Here we're minusing, okay? We minus the number, the present number from the previous number. We do that for the black, red, and green, and if they match, it's arithmetic sequence. Instead of minus this time, take a wild guess. What are we doing to see if the numbers match? What are we doing instead of minusing? Okay, I gotta write some stuff down, so I gotta rotate this device. Okay, that's exactly right, Angelisa. We are dividing now. Okay, we are dividing. So I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna go black and go boom. 4 divided by 2. Let me be consistent with how I did it before. Boom. Move that down. Come on, move down, I said. Okay, doesn't want to move down. Now it does. Okay, so now I'm going to go 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. Okay? All right. 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. And green is 16 divided by 2. What am I talking about? Not 2. 8. Okay? Equals to 2. And you can go one more if you want. Okay? You can, just to make quadruple sure, you can go 32 divided by 16 equals to 2. And you can, okay, and all these 2's match. Okay? These all match. So we are multiplying by 2 in this case. We are multiplying by 2 in that case. We are multiplying by 2. And we are multiplying by 2. It is an arithmetic sequence. Okay, it is an arithmetic sequence. All right. So, excuse me, my bad. Geometric sequence is GeoSequence. Okay. Now I'm going to move through the next 2 examples a little faster. Okay, because this is like the same thing that we did before with arithmetic. Just now we are dividing. Okay. So, boom, 9 divided by 27. You're going to get 0.3 repeating on your calculator. You're going to need a calculator for this. You can just use a basic calculator. So I'm going to times 0.3 repeating. Okay. And then 3 divided by 9 equals to 0.3 repeating. Okay. And I ran out of room to write times 0.3, but it's the same thing again. Okay, here. Green, 1 divided by 3 is equal to 0.3, repeating. And 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 3 divided by 1 equals to 0.3, repeating. So it is, you're multiplying by 0.3, repeating each time. It is a geometric sequence. Now, by the way, folks, when you put this into your calculator, okay, when you put this blue into the calculator, all right, put it in like this, parentheses 1 divided by 3, and then divide it by 1, and you're probably going to need to hit enter here on your calculator. Okay? All right. Now, let's check this case right here real quick. Okay, I'm going to do this one. I'm going to do this example 1C even quicker. Okay, let's get my black going on over here. Dock to the right. Okay, my black says 16 divided by 4 equals to 4. Okay, so I'm multiplying by 4. Here, through 1664 divided by 16 equals to 4. That's multiplying by 4. Ooh, check this out though. Let's pump our brakes. Let's slow down this math train a little bit, okay? Because we might hit a wall. By might, I'm saying we will. This equals to 2. So we got 4, 4, 2. It does not match. This does not match, so is not, okay? Is not a geometric sequence. Okay. Ooh, Mr. Chen is slipping on his color game. Okay. I gotta make this right here black to be consistent. All right. Okay. So that's that. Okay. This is very similar to what we did with arithmetic sequence, except it's just dividing. Okay. Now, I feel so confident that you guys are going to get this that I want to show you guys one more quick example here. And this is not even something new, to be honest with you. This is, I mean, this is light work right here. Okay. So T sub 4 means the fourth term. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 3. And then it goes all the way up to 8. 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. All right, so it's asking for T sub 8 and T sub 1. Okay, let me throw in some colors there. It's asking for T sub 8, and it's also asking for T sub 1. And it's telling you R. We used to use D, now we're using R. Now it's telling you that R is -2. Okay, so I'm going to multiply this by -2. Okay, multiply that by -2. Same thing, times -2, times -2, times -2. Okay, so I literally do 3 times -2 times -2 times -2 times -2 on the calculator. All right, and I am going to get what is that? 4 times 16, 48 here. This equals to 48. Okay, now that's easy. Let's look at the pink right here. Okay, boom, boom. All right, now again, for the pink, I'm going to use red right here. I'm going to do times -2 times -2 times -2. So watch this. Question mark. Okay, I'm going to call this T sub 1. Okay. T sub 1 times -2. Okay. Times -2 times -2 equals to 3. Okay? T sub 1 times -8 equals to 3. That's what -2 times -2 times -2 is. Okay? All right? And then T sub 1, you divide both sides by -8 equals to 3 over -8, and you just plug that into your calculator, okay? And whatever the heck that is as a decimal, okay, that's your answer. All right? Let's see if I can pull that up real quick. Okay, online calc. And I'm going to go 3 divided by 8 and get 0.375. Okay? Negative. And that's a wrap, folks. Okay? Negative 0.375. Okay? So again, to find T sub 8, it's really easy. You just multiply by -2, -2, -2, -2. All right? To find T sub 1, when you're going backwards, usually when you're going backwards, that's where it's a little bit more challenging. It's not even hard, though. It's not even that challenging. Okay, you just set up this equation like we've been doing, okay, except it's multiply T sub 1 times -2 3 times equals to the 3 right here. Okay, combine like terms by multiplying, get -8, divide both sides by -8, and you are good. Okay, and let me write it in black just to be 100% sure that you guys know is divide by -8. Divide by -8. That's not black, that's gray, but you get the point. Okay, all right, I'm going to leave this up here, okay, while I want you guys to go ahead and do these next problems that I'm going to show you.